Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert SIM and set up 5G and dual SIM on Realme 16 5G. Okay, so first we need to open up our SIM card tray. I need to take off the case. And now, our tray is located right in here next to our USB-C port, right in here what I'm pointing at. Now insert your key, push it a little bit, and now we can take off our tray. Okay, here it is. Now, we need to insert our two SIM cards. Okay, the first one and now the second one goes in here. Just like that. Now take your phone and insert the tray. Okay, push it. Now, okay, now I can get the case back. Okay. And now, to set up the 5G, we gotta go to the settings, mobile network, and here to take a look, we have our both SIM cards. You can go to the SIM settings. You can enable or disable each SIM card. Of course, you can keep both of them enabled. And now let's pick the SIM 1. And in here to add the 5G, go to preferred network type, tap on that, and make sure that 5G preferred is selected. Same thing with your second SIM card. Go in here and select the 5G as a preferred network type. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.